Hi, Gianna from Packback here, and today I will be walking you through setting up your Deep Dives assignment. With Deep Dives, you are in full control of the prompts and the grading criteria you'd like your students to follow. So let's get started. Once you've accessed your Deep Dives community, scroll down on the left-hand side of your community panel and click on where it says Assignments. You will then be brought to the Assignments interface showing all of your current, upcoming, and past assignments. To create a new assignment, head to the Create a New Assignment button. There are 4 steps that will walk you through the assignment creation. The first step is creating and adding your assignment prompt. If this is your first time using the Packback Deep Dives feature, you will need to create a new prompt since you will not have any already pre-existing prompts to use yet. So let's click on Create a New One. When creating your assignment prompt, you will see details about what you should include so that students know how to complete the assignment. You're going to put in a title, a short description informing students of the main purpose of their essay, and then finally, there is a longer description where you are able to include your learning goals or provide more context for their assignment topic. Whatever you feel will be best in order for your students to effectively complete their Deep Dives assignment. Next, you will see 2 additional options. The first option is to add guiding questions that students should address in their Deep Dives essay. A guiding question is designed to encourage students to think more deeply about the topic under study and to keep them on track with the topic. Upon grading a Deep Dive assignment, Packback will attempt to smart highlight parts of a student's submission to show you where each student may have answered the guiding questions. The second optional choice is to add additional resources for your students that will help them to effectively complete their Deep Dives assignment. This can be in the form of a book, a website, or an academic journal you'd like them to refer to for more context before beginning their assignment. Once you have completed all the required components for creating your Deep Dives assignment prompt, you will then be able to save your prompt and apply it to the new assignment. You also have the option to save the prompt for future use. Now that you have created your assignment prompt, the next section of setting up your Deep Dives assignment will be to create your rubric. If you'd like to use one that you've already created, just click Select Saved Rubric. Otherwise, click Create New Rubric to begin building one from scratch. You'll be taken to our landing page where you'll see the 4 steps needed in order to create your smart rubric. You'll be able to follow these 4 steps below to create your rubric. There will be 6 components to your Deep Dives rubric: word count and depth, grammar and mechanics, flow and structure, research and citations, formatting, and last but not least, content and ideas. You have the option to customize this rubric. All you have to do is check the box next to the components you wish to include in your rubric and uncheck the box of any you do not want the grading assistant to grade. You will then enter a point value in the field on the right for each of the requirements you'll be including. If you'd like to save this rubric for a later time, or if you'd like to use it again for future assignments, check the box where prompted and enter a rubric title. Once you've completed creating your rubric, click Save and Use. Once you've set up your rubric, the next step will be to choose Assignees. By default, the course where you clicked to add a new assignment will already be populated to assign the Deep Dive to, but you are able to assign the same Deep Dives assignment to multiple Packback courses at the same time, if you choose. You can select at least one in the Choose a Course drop-down menu and then click Assign to a course. If you have chosen to assign this Deep Dives to multiple Packback courses, you will need to repeat this step for each course. The last step will be to set your assignment dates. Here is where you'll set when you'd like your Deep Dives assignment to go live and choose a deadline for it. You will select Immediate if you like to publish your assignment after setup completion. But if you'd like to schedule a day for it to go live, click on a specific date and time, and your assignment will go live then. You'll be prompted to enter the day, the time, and the appropriate time zone. Next, under Choose a Deadline, select the day, time, and time zone by which you'd like your students to complete their Deep Dives assignment. If you also use Packback questions for your course, Deep dive assignment deadlines are completely independent of any deadlines you've already configured for Packback questions. You will also have the option to allow students to submit after the deadline. These late submissions will be marked with a late label for easy grading. Simply check the box if you want to allow late submissions for this assignment. Then you can go ahead and publish your assignment. After your assignment is published, it will show up in your Assignments tab under Upcoming Assignments or Current Assignments, depending on if you decided to publish immediately or on a specific date. You'll be able to see basic information regarding your assignment, such as the due date and the number of submissions thus far. And if you click Go to Assignment, you'll be able to see your full assignment overview that includes details about your requirements. You'll also find an overview of your rubric, and last but not least, your student submissions. Our setup wizard was designed to make building your deep dives assignment seamless and user-friendly. However, if you need technical assistance or have questions about the functionality of your Packback Deep Dives assignment, please reach out to our support team at help@packback.co.